In this video, I will show you how to go from $1,000 to $10,000 using a highly profitable Ichimoku Cloud strategy. If you follow the steps in this video, you will be able to consistently make money. In this video, I will show you all the components of the Ichimoku Cloud indicator. I will show you the exact strategy and criteria for an entry signal. I will show you examples of a long and short position. I will show you where to set your stop loss. And finally, I will backtest this strategy over 200 times to show you the win rate and profit gain, and the proof that will take you from $1,000 to $10,000. Warning: following these steps can make you a lot of money, but nothing in this video is financial advice. Trade at your own risk tolerance. The Ichimoku Cloud indicator consists of multiple components. The conversion line, which is a short-term 9-period moving average. It offers insights into short-term price momentum. The baseline, which is a medium-term 26-period moving average. This provides information about medium-term price momentum. Next is the leading span A. This line is the average of the conversion and baseline and is plotted 26 periods ahead to form the faster boundary of the cloud. Then we have the leading span B, which is calculated over 52 periods and plotted 26 periods ahead, which forms the slower boundary of the cloud. Then we have the Kumo Cloud, the area between the leading span A and leading span B. The thickness of the cloud indicates market volatility and potential support and resistance levels. Finally, we have the lagging span. This component of the Ichimoku Cloud indicator is the current closing price, plotted 26 periods behind. This helps traders assess the current price relationship with historical price action. The Ichimoku Cloud is versatile and provides traders with a holistic perspective on price action. It can be used to identify trends, confirm potential support and resistance levels, and generate trading entry signals. Traders often consider the position of the price relative to the cloud and the relationship between different components to make trading decisions. I will show you the trading strategy that I found to be profitable. Traders, take a moment, hit that like button, and leave a comment below for future video ideas. Let me explain this strategy and how you can go from $1,000 to $10,000. The strategy is simple. You look for long signals when the candles are above the Kumo Cloud. Then you wait for the conversion line to cross above the baseline. The lagging span line must be above the conversion line. And finally, the Kumo Cloud on the far right must be shaded green. We look for short signals when the candles are below the Kumo Cloud. Then you wait for the conversion line to cross below the baseline. The lagging span line must be below the conversion line, and the Kumo Cloud must be shaded red. Let's jump into the charts and see a bar reply example. You see here, the candles are above the cloud, and the conversion line is above the baseline. The lagging span line is now above the conversion line, and the far right Kumo Cloud is shaded green. Therefore, we can enter a trade here for a long position, and this would have been a successful trade. Later on in the video, I will show you how you can get access to an indicator that will trigger buy and sell signals for this strategy, so you don't have to keep staring at the screen. Back to the video. For our exit strategy, we will set the stop loss at 2 ATR values. However, there are multiple ways of setting your stop loss. Another option is to set the stop loss under the Kumo Cloud, which could indicate that a reversal is coming. However, for our backtest, we will be using 2 ATR values for our exit strategy. And for our take profit target, we will target a 2.0 reward to risk ratio. In this strategy, we will be risking 15% per trade, meaning if we have an initial capital of $1,000, we are willing to lose up to $150 per trade. Now this is a lot higher than what is typically recommended. Usually you should be risking a maximum of 2% per trade. But because our initial capital is relatively small, and our objective is to find the quickest way of growing our account from $1,000 to $10,000, we are willing to take on larger risks. So although it is not recommended to risk 15% of your account balance, we will be doing it for this video. And anything in this video is not financial advice, but only for educational purposes only. To access our free position size calculator, go to the description below, which will allow you to properly calculate your position size. To backtest this strategy, we will be using our custom Ichimoku Cloud indicator that will not only tell us when to buy and sell, but it will also backtest all the previous trades across any asset and time frame. First, visit our website, which will be in the link in the description below. Then once you have access to the script, add it to the chart and click on the settings icon. so we can adjust the inputs for the backtest. In this video, we will be backtesting Tesla on the 30-minute time frame. We will be using a 2.0 reward to risk ratio, and will be risking 15% per trade with an initial capital size of $1,000. Once you change all the inputs, click on OK, and the indicator script will automatically backtest every historical trade. Instantly, the script will backtest all the trades for a long and short position with Tesla on the 30-minute time frame. This indicator script will work on any asset in the crypto, stock, and Forex market and on any time frame. The script will display this custom dashboard, which will show the backtest results. The script found a total of 234 trades with a win rate of 45%. Although the win rate is only 45%, remember that our reward to risk ratio is 2 to 1. Therefore, as long as our win rate is more than 33%, we will be profitable, which is why the dashboard displays a profit gain of 1,260% after 234 trades, which is insane. Furthermore, we had a highest winning streak of 7 trades in a row and a highest losing streak of 7 trades in a row. In just minutes, we were able to backtest 234 trades with this highly profitable Ichimoku Cloud trading strategy. Therefore, to go from $1,000 to $10,000, we would need 1,000% gain. We were able to achieve 1,260% gain in just 234 trades. If we scale it down to 1,000% gain, we would need just 186 trades. And because our expected win rate is 45%, you would expect to win about 84 trades and lose 103 trades with a reward to risk ratio of 2 and risking 15% per trade. Leave a comment below if you would like to see us backtest this strategy on another asset or time frame. You see, although this strategy is highly profitable on Tesla on the 30-minute time frame, let's see if this strategy works on another stock like Netflix. If we keep all other variables the same and only change the asset to Netflix, the script will instantly backtest all the historical trades of the Ichimoku Cloud strategy. The script found 282 trades with a win rate of 32.9%, which would have resulted in a profit loss of 60% after 282 trades. This is much different than the results we obtained with Tesla. You see, each asset behaves differently. We explained this in many of our previous videos. It is important to backtest your strategy with every asset and time frame that you plan to use it on. You cannot expect your trading strategy to perform the same across different assets and time frames. The reason we typically see a difference in results with the same exact strategy is due to multiple factors. One of the main factors could be how each of the assets reacts macroeconomics, earning reports, or just the overall performance of the stock market. In this video, we did not take these factors into consideration. We simply looked at every historical trade made available that met our entry and exit criteria. The Ichimoku Cloud strategy that I showed you in this video can get you from $1,000 to $10,000 if you are trading it on the right asset and time frame. As you saw in this video, this strategy was extremely profitable with Tesla on the 30-minute time frame. In addition, I showed you that we were able to instantly backtest hundreds of trades within minutes using one of our backtesting indicators, which can be found on our website. The link will be in the description below. You see, most traders will not backtest their trading strategy. They make the mistake of jumping into the live markets without actually knowing how profitable their strategy will be. This is a huge mistake. To get ahead of the 95% of people who fail at trading and to get yourself in the top 5%, you must do everything that will give you this edge. This can start by backtesting your trading strategy, implementing proper risk management, and staying disciplined with your trading strategy long enough to see the results come in. If you carefully follow the information in this video, you can make money in trading consistently. Thanks for sticking around till now. We will have much more valuable content that we will be providing soon. I would greatly appreciate it if you hit the like button, as these videos take a lot of time and effort. Leave a comment below if you want me to test this on another asset or time frame, or with other reward to risk ratios. Subscribe for more future content.